Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. The device that gives soft copy output is A. Printer, B. Monitor, C. Plotter, D. None of above. And the answer is monitor. Second question. 1,000 of second is called A. Microsecond, B. Millisecond, C. Nanosecond, D. Picosecond. And the answer is millisecond. Third question. The logarithm is the concept of A. Herman Hollerith, B. John Napier, C. Charles Babbage, D. Lady Augusta Ada. And the answer is John Napier. Fourth question. Which of the following statement is true about the computer? A. A machine for making calculation automatically. B. A machine for making calculations numerical data. C. A machine developed by the human. D. All of above. And the answer is all of above. Fifth question. Data processing is the method of A. Collecting the data, B. Converting the data into machine code, C. Collecting and converting the data into useful information, D. All of above. And the answer is collecting and converting the data into useful information. Sixth question. Keyboard is input device which is used to A. Get output of the raw data, B. Enter information, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. And the answer is enter information. Seventh question. Together the control unit and ALU is called A. Computer, B. Memory, C. Input device, D. CPU. And the answer is CPU. Eighth question. The CPU of a microcomputer is also called the A. Computer, B. Microprocessor, C. Box, D. All of the above. And the answer is microprocessor. Ninth question. The computer program is which receive input and processing it to give the desired output. A. Set of instructions, B. Device, C. Memory, D. All of the above. And the answer is set of instructions. 10th question. Who developed the first machine called difference engine? A. Pascal, B. Abacus. C. Charles Babbage. D. Lady Ada. And the answer is Charles Babbage. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.